When building a new house, there's a lot of hidden costs. Today, we're going to talk about a couple ways to save $30,000 or even more, all in the process of building a house. So let's go. In episode number 1, this couple selected the lot and the house layout. Most all those decisions define what the structure of the house will be. Those costs are pretty much fixed. In step 2, we come to the design meeting, where you select the home's interior finishes. It's here that you can literally save thousands of dollars. Let's say the new house and lot you selected to build has a price of $300,000. That's the price of the lot and the layout, basically the structure. That does not include finishes that are chosen at the design meeting. So at the design meeting, the buyer is faced with numerous possible interior upgrades. So check these out. Example number 1, selecting doorknobs.
The lever, that is $10. Or if you like this one that has a thumb latch, that is $130. Rather do the levers, that's $295 for the whole house.
We'll probably end up changing them eventually, but not right away. What do you want?
Where's round ones?
This is your choice.
I don't know.
This one's your choice. Just let it sink in.
Yeah.
Let it sink in.
Right?
You get to choose.
We'll just do that now.
That was great, Judge.
Example number 2, choosing the door.
Oh, yeah. $7.95.
Example number 3, paint and siding with that exterior look.
Oh, no, I can still choose it. We're good. At least that one we've already agreed on. No? So this is the one I wanted. This is the one he wanted. She said everyone does the blue.
Well, I wanted. This is what I wanted.
I don't mind actually.
We're like, no.
I mean, no.
Example number 4, the garage door.
If I'm not getting my blue siding, I'm getting a black garage door.
All right, babe. Anything to make you happy.
All right, then red it is. Red,
No,
red siding.
I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon.
Example number 5, the kitchen cabinets.
So this is a whole package together. This is $630. Are you interested in
It's cool, but no. I do love it. We don't need it, but we like it.
Okay, and then we do offer soft close doors. Yeah, that's cool. And soft close doors, and that's about $2,000 for the whole house.
Example number 6, you can even select different types of trim on the molding around the cabinets. Example number 7, the kitchen countertops. And on the list goes. In all the possible upgrades when building a new house are all the hidden costs that are not so easily seen. All those upgrades cost money, and that's money that you're going to have to eventually earn to pay for them. So let's say your loan's at $300,000. This couple had the builder buy down the interest rate some, so they're getting a 5.5% interest rate. But even at 5.5% over the life of the loan, they're going to pay back the same amount that the house cost and then some. So basically, because of interest, the price of the house will double. And if you don't have the luxury of the builder buying down the loan, today's interest rate's around 7.4%. So that would mean when you pay back this loan, you're going to pay back an additional 150% of the loan amount. So that's another $450,000, making the whole total house price $750,000. Basically, every $1 you spend on upgrades are going to cost you $2.50 over the life of the loan. So let's go back to that design meeting with that knowledge. Let's say you could get Cambria quartz countertops in the kitchen for $7,500. The hidden cost to that, what you ultimately will have to earn to pay back, is the interest on that $7,500, which is another $11,000. So the countertops cost to you is $18,500 because of interest. So what's the best way to save? Wait. That's the key to this whole process. And by the way, hit the like button if you would and help this video out. When I say wait, what I'm talking about is just delaying the selection of the upgrade. You can have all the same upgrades, just install them after closing. That way you don't roll them into your loan and thereby incur a huge additional cost. So what's a way to save even more? Wait and DIY it. If you watch any of our videos, you know we're all about DIY. We save literally tens of thousands of dollars over the years doing different projects. In this particular case, if you wait on the upgrades and DIY install them after closing, you haven't rolled the money into the loan and you're saving a huge amount of cash. Let me give you an example. If you know how to DIY, you can take the builder grade stuff that they put in the house and replace it again, after closing. By DIYing it, you can get the very same floor for about $6 a square foot, or let's say $6,000. And right there, by doing it yourself and doing this after you close on the loan, you're saving $19,000 by not having the builder install the floor or anyone else install the floor, and you're not rolling it into your loan and thereby paying for it over the next 30 years with 30 years of interest. So there you go, in just two simple examples. And when you build a house, there are literally dozens of ways to add different upgrades to your house and thereby increase the cost. In just these two examples, we've showed you how to save $30,000. You get all the upgrades you wanted, just delayed and done in a different way. And the result being you save $30,000. All because you didn't roll it into your original loan. Now all you gotta do is figure out what you're gonna do with that $30,000. Be sure and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.